Alright, another quick review of the new DeWalt trimmer I got. This is, as a reminder, this is the, let's get the number here. Sorry, this is the DCST 922. I've begun to put it together a little bit more, the parts that actually require some assembly. And one of the questions I had was where this handle was going to go. The natural spot for it is kind of right here. And so what I've tried initially, which felt pretty good, is angled the handle forward, which kind of seems like how it should go because the XR is facing this way, or reading as if you're facing it that way. And that's about right. I think my ideal spot would be about right there with how I hold it. So we'll see when we actually use it, to compare to my old one, which has about the same weight and balance. If you line them up, you can see. Actually, it's not too bad. I actually thought that would be a lot different. Looks like I'm holding that one even a little bit further back. So that's pretty good. Turns out it's okay. We'll see how it is actually using it, but looks like from this I can get it lined up almost exactly where my old one used to be. So that's pretty cool. So the thing I noticed that I want to start the video with is when I went to install the handle, they give you a little Allen wrench, which is not a big deal. But the guard down here doesn't use Allen bolts. It uses Phillips screws, which is just kind of dumb. It's just, I don't know. It's like you could have had 3 people install this, and someone would have said pretty quickly, "Hey, you give us a tool to install the handle with an Allen wrench, and the person has to find a screwdriver to install the rest." So obviously I've got plenty of screwdrivers. It's not a big deal, but it's just little things like this. I found putting ego stuff together and just the way ego thinks through things, this is the kind of stuff they catch. But for some reason the screws that were included were Phillips screws. What's so funny is the tool, the Allen wrench, which goes to the handle, was actually taped right here inside the thing, inside the guard, and the guard doesn't use an Allen wrench. So it's just kind of an odd, I don't know how this happens. I do product development in the software world, and it's just the kind of thing where if an engineer or the packaging person had watched somebody unbox this and install it like twice, they would have immediately realized that it's kind of a dumb thing to include a Phillips head down here and a hex up here. So I don't know what that means. It doesn't impact how good the tool is, probably. And it's something that you only do once, but it's just a little thing that I noticed. So I'll send some more videos as I find more interesting things.